Hi guys, Upasana here. Welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Upasana. I make videos related to Korea like K-pop, songs cover, dance cover, reaction video, food and vlogs. So first of all, today is the last day of this 2020. Oh my god, the whole year is just so hope 2021 will be better. So happy new year in advance. Today my neighborhood is little bit crazy and noisy because today is, you guys know, I don't know why they are playing the mic in this time. It's around 2:30 afternoon. You guys should rest now for the party and all. I don't know. So enough talking. So today JYP and Rain, they just again a duet, because last duet of JYP with Sunmi was like oh my god, I really love that song When We Disco, and this is okay. So and this is JSP's second innings, and he's just playing really good. So before I get started, please subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box. So now let's start. So I already make the reaction video on JYP's last When You Disco with Sonmi, and the dance cover also, and I will put the link in the description box. If you guys want to check that out after this video, you can go and check this out. So now let's start. Okay, the bar.
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요?
His jawline.
일마다 다 잘.
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데.
I
영석이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠.
okay.
금방 따라잡.
I don't know why I feel so funny. Ooh. Oh.
그보다 형한테 배우는데요.
His features are so sharp. Okay, okay. Is this a battle? Is it a battle? The jawline. I just look at the jawline like, oh my god. The mobiles. What's this? Oh. Ooh. Men will be men. I can't imagine walking with those heels. Oh my god.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남자를 본 적은 없어도
Now they're trying to impress her.
설명할 순 없어도
Ooh.
네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘
Already abs? Oh my god. Actually his abs are really famous. And this disco vibe. I really love these dance steps.
네가 남자가 있다는 사실을
Whoa.
그림자에
He really looks good with this perming hair.
네가 탐나 나쁘지 않은 사람인 것도 알아 하지만
Okay, is this girl a player? Playing both sides?
너를 어떻게 대주니 네가 얼마나 특별한지 알기는 않는 것 같니 지금 내가 널 바라보는
Okay.
눈으로 너를 바라보니 그게
Okay, they are fighting for the same girl.
너무 아까워 네
And this crop shot.
적은 없어
Sorry, what is crop shot? Crop top.
설명할 수 없어
Crop top would be illegal. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
맞는 것 같아
Okay.
내게 기회를 줘
I can see many things. Oh, those moves. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. This is for this is save our 2021 and 2020 also. Ooh, my god.
너를 어떻게 대주니 네가 얼마나 특별한지 알기는 않는 것 같니
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도
Like, this girl is so lucky
설명할 수
that they are fighting like this.
네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아 내게 기회를 줘 제발 나로 바꾸자
Okay, I really like the steps.
나로 바꾸자
Okay.
나로 바꾸자 제발 나로 바꾸자
They switched to me like Naru Bakucho, like, oh my god. Okay, is this finished or no? Is she go for the option C when like A or B not go option C? What is happening? I knew it! I knew it! Oh my god, Sai! I knew it! She'll go for option C. Why? Is the next collab with Shy? That would be like awesome. Like, whoa. All the fighting in vain. It's finished. Last part. Like, Psy. Oh my god. Like, my whole K-pop thing. Like, everyone's like, first K-pop song ever, like Gangnam Style, everyone knows. Like, okay. But the song. Whoa. I'm getting the vibe like she will go with like option C. But yeah, the song is really good and Rain in crop top is everything. And JYP, like, you are like great, like, but is the like next collab or duet with Psy, like with Psy? Is this a spoiler? But I really like it. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this type of more video, then subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box. So happy new year guys, and be safe, be happy. So bye, see you next year in my next video. Bye.